Hey, and welcome back to our Intelligent Study Design series. Today, I'll be covering eCOA, specifically the ePRO components. Now, because it's all part of the unified clinical data management solution, our users, but mainly our site users, sponsors, and CROs, don't have to go anywhere else, remember a different URL, set up integrations, or anything like that. Now, as a site user, I operate in the same place that I go to enter data on my demographics on the EDC form. Like the other modules, as we maybe saw before, I can now go and manage the participant's account in eCOA or ePRO. For the sake of time, I went ahead and set up this particular participant and activated them. They have their own user ID, and so they'll have their own password to access the system as well. In this case, they're also set up for Spanish. Now, Zelta supports 80 plus languages and regional dialects, which is really helpful for those participant users. At a site perspective, I also have the capability of showing the participant what they are going to see once they log in with the preview functionality in both English and all those 80 plus languages that we discussed. At this point, we're going to swap over and take a look at the participant view. Today we'll be looking at it on the browser, but there's also a native iOS and Android mobile app. The beauty of the mobile apps gives the participant the opportunity to receive push notification reminders when their assessments are coming due. So let's log in. Now, as we log in, you'll notice everything is in Spanish. I am presented with my e-consent as a participant, as well as my clinical diaries or my pros. We're not going to talk about e-consent today, but it's nice because it's in the same application. We'll go into the diaries and we can immediately see there are 4 available on the left side and 1 that's coming up a little bit later. Now, Zelta is built on a reactive web application. So you see the view here now as I see it on my laptop. But if I was using a tablet, for example, it would react and use all available space to present to the user. And you can imagine looking at it on a phone. Also, in addition to the mobile apps, you have the capability of accessing on a browser on your phone. And we'll jump into one of the diaries. It's a migraine diary. So today I had a migraine. And we're going to go ahead and fill in the rest of this and take a look at what happens. Now, at any point, if I wanted to stop, exit, and come back at a later point in time to complete it, whether on my app or on another device, and when I'm ready, I can come back and pick up where I left off. Move on down here and complete the information and save the diary at this point. Now I can see a summary of anything that was completed, and I have 3 remaining. So I can come back and complete those at any point in time. Now, let's switch back to the site view. I can immediately see what's going on. So, quick refresh. And I can see now that one of the diaries has already been completed. I can click into this and see the information immediately. No waiting around for data transfers. I can immediately interact with the data. The beauty of a unified platform. Thank you all for tuning in to the latest video in our Intelligent Study Design series. It's really part of our mission to help your clinical research team accelerate study builds, operate with complete control, and tailor your study setups with unrivaled flexibility. I look forward to the next one and can't wait to see you then.